Hello everyone and welcome to this Compass guide. This will be a guide about how to make reports and change them in Compass. As you can see, I already have a Chromatogram open and I already went to report style. So to change your report style, you will first click on edit. And now your report editor will open. The first thing I always like to do is to edit this top header. So you can change that to your own preferences. So if you can right click and then click on properties. And now I have my own preferences, so I set it at final test. And you can also change the scaling to custom. And you can change this one as well to custom. And you can change the scalings to whatever preferences you like. You can also change it to peak number. So if you wanted to pick up the height of peak number 1 or peak number 2, you can change it to a named peak. And you can also do it as a working scale. I will just leave it as automatic and full scale for now. And then when you've updated it, you can click on update and then OK. If you want to change the peak results table, you can also click on the right here and then properties. And here you can change the format. So you can change the format and you can also change the letter type. So you can change that to your own preferences and the own size. And you can also change this text, of course. Then you'll just go to properties and then you can just rename this. And okay, and you can also change this logo. So right now we have, of course, our SCION Instruments logo, but you can also change that to the logo of your own company by right-clicking again and clicking on properties. You can see now here that it's loaded the SCION Instruments logo, but if you want to load another logo, you can just click on load. And then it will load your own logo. And then you can click on OK. At the top of the report editor, you can save it. So you can say save style, or you can just say file, save, or save as. So now I've saved this, and now you can close it. And first thing I will always do before I will print out the report is double checking. So you have here the button of print and here you have the print preview button. So I'll just click on that and then it will open. Now you can see how the chromatogram will be printed. And now you can still make changes before it's actually printed. And you can zoom in by just clicking on it and zoom out by right-clicking. And then you can also say here, print. And then you can just say OK.